Stuart, so nice of you to join us. Stuart's cooking up some brats. I cooked brats earlier. Well, actually, these are hot sausages. But I cooked up a little bit earlier. We had that, had some more rice. And now Stuart, he wanted some more brats, so here we are. So after that, after we're done eating that, we're gonna head over to the paddock and do a paddock walk.
I'm really drunk.
He's really drunk. All right, so we finished up those brats. Stuart actually was going to the paddock. I'm gonna go see some buddies on turn 1, see if maybe I can get a little bit of footage there while I'm, hanging out. I think it's a really good spot. So just as the cars play out the pits, down the main straight, they're gonna go really, really fast in turn 1. So something up to maybe over 100 miles an hour, which you can do with all the downforce that those cars have. So yeah, let's go check it out. I left turn 1 over there. I'm gonna head over down to the paddock. Stuart did the paddock walk by himself, and he's already back at the campsite, so I'll rejoin him a little bit later. Just want to check out the paddock, see what's going on. So a lot of these tents are actually closed up for the night, but some teams are still diligently working, preparing for tomorrow. So here we have Team Acura. I think they're prepping the car for tomorrow for the 12-hour. Getting their TPI car ready to go. So in case you're not really paying attention, I'm sure you've noticed that I videoed the Toyota LMP1 cars going around the track a lot. That's because they are freaking fast, man. Like, I don't think I've ever seen any car go around corners as fast as this car. Going into the corner, they brake super late. They go through the corner with obscene speed, and then they exit the corner like a burnt ape. Like, it's ridiculous. So they actually set a new lap record. So the previous lap record was 143, which was held by the Peugeot 908, set 10 years ago. And now it's been broken by those Toyotas. They set a speed of, they set a time of 140, a little over 140, like 140 and change, set by, who else? Fernando Alonso. So incredible car, incredible driver. It's an incredible team. So, I want to see if I can find their paddock and see what they've got going on. Oh, I see Corvette Racing's open. Let's see what they're doing. Okay, this might be one of the smaller teams. And I think there's another. Yeah, there it is. That's the big Corvette Racing. That's there. Those guys racing tomorrow. This must be a different team. I'm not sure if these is. Yeah, you know what? I think this is the team that's out racing right now. So they're just kind of hanging around. The car's not braking, so there's no need for it to be here. All right, so down there, that's the IMSA side of the paddock, and they're all asleep. We're coming down the WEC side of the paddock, where they got the 1,000 miles of Sebring going on. Wow, it's all lit up and crazy. So I know all of these teams are open. They're all racing. There's still like another 3 hours of racing to go. So let's check out what's going on. All right, you know what? I start over here. So Gulf Racing 911 RSR. I know even their paddock is. It's all. This is so cool. It's all Gulf livery, just like a car. See over here we got TDS Racing and their Orica. They're out racing. Who's here? Dragon Speed is here. Okay. See, they've got their BR Engineering BR1. I guess they're working on. Not sure what's going on. Yeah, thanks, buddy. Look at that. Wonder what they've got going on. Maybe the car's having an issue. Well, they have the computer out. Yeah, I can't see anything. Let me turn the autofocus back on. That might help. Yeah, no idea what's going on there. You got the engine's all out. Well, not out, but exposed. Working on the car. Let's see. What else is going on? You got Dempsey Proton Racing. Let's see. They're out racing, which is good. Car's being reliable. We got, what the hell? Hey, look at that guy. We got a mascot out. Hey, it's pretty cool. What's up, brother? Yeah. It's pretty cool. Checking out some racing. Yeah, buddy. See you, dude. Have fun. All right, so coming up on SMP Racing. These are the Russian dudes, and oh man, yeah, that's the car I saw smoking earlier. I wonder what the problem is. The other car is still out. The other car's still racing. Yeah, everything's all closed up, so there's no like immediately obvious reason why. These guys were pretty fast too. Not gonna lie, these guys were like, I think they qualified third. All right, so I found out what was going on. So when I saw the car smoking, it was actually the Rebellion racing car. That car had locked up a tire, and there was a lot of smoke. And I saw the smoke coming out from the SMP racing car. So I thought that was their car smoking. It was actually just the tire smoke, and the tire smoke was being pulled into their low pressure air zone behind the car. So that's okay. The reason why the car is actually in their paddock is because there was a crash on turn 1 2 hours ago. I wasn't paying attention. I think it was I was out and about, and the car was put out of commission. So they could have repaired it, but there's really not enough time. They only had like a few hours left, and well, they had to retire that car. So the other car's out racing. Let's give them some good luck. So I'm kind of wandering back to the campsite. Guess who I run into? It's the guys from the subreddit.
Yeah,
Hell yeah, brother.
yeah, a lot of fun.
Dude, this is awesome. Thank you, guys. All right, so we're down to the last 10 minutes of the race. It's been raining for actually the last 20, 30 minutes. So I just want to catch the last little bit. Looks like they're under yellow right now. Might have been an accident, so we'll check that out.
So it will finish under yellow.
That sucks.
Anticlimactic, but nothing you can do about it.
It's basically over. Toyota.
Okay, so that's that. Unfortunately, because of the rain, they decided to finish it under yellow, which I think is kind of stupid. I would have preferred to see them completely, actually race, actually finish the race under at least one lap under green flag conditions, because it was wet, but it wasn't that wet. They were all switched to rain tires. They were good to go. So I don't know what the heck. So anyway, I think Stewart left to go to the gas station. I don't think he's back yet, so I'm gonna hesitate to end the vlog right now. I'm gonna see what Stewart's gonna be up to. All right, well, I'm still waiting on Stewart to get back, and I'm honestly getting kind of tired. There's a whole day of racing going on tomorrow. We got the actual 12 hours of Sebring, so I'm just gonna end it here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.